If your inner ear suddenly stopped working, you could fall to the ground without warning, and you might not even understand why. Most people think the ear is only responsible for hearing, but deep inside your skull, hidden behind the eardrum and the delicate bones of the middle ear, lies one of the most sophisticated balance systems in the human body. It's called the vestibular system, and without it, standing upright would be nearly impossible. Inside your inner ear are 3 tiny curved structures known as the semicircular canals. They are positioned at different angles, almost like a 3-dimensional gyroscope. These canals are filled with fluid. When you move your head, even slightly, that fluid shifts. That movement bends microscopic sensory receptors, and those receptors send electrical signals directly to your brain. Within milliseconds, your brain calculates, are you turning? Are you accelerating? Are you leaning? Are you falling? This system works continuously, silently, without your awareness. Every step you take, every time you nod, every time you lie down or stand up, your vestibular system is constantly adjusting muscle tone, eye position, and posture, keeping your world stable. Now here's where it becomes fascinating. Your brain doesn't rely on just one source of information. It compares signals from 3 systems: your eyes, visual input; your inner ear, vestibular input; your muscles and joints, proprioception. When all 3 agree, you feel stable. But when they conflict, your brain interprets it as a serious problem. This is the basis of motion sickness. For example, when you're reading your phone in a moving car, your eyes report that you are still, but your inner ear senses acceleration and turns. That mismatch creates confusion in the brain. Evolutionary theory suggests that this sensory conflict resembles the neurological patterns seen in toxin exposure. In response, the brain may trigger protective mechanisms: dizziness, nausea, sweating, even vomiting. It's not weakness. It's not imagination. It's a survival reflex. Now let's talk about hearing. Deep inside the inner ear is a spiral-shaped organ called the cochlea. Inside it are thousands of microscopic hair cells. These cells are incredibly sensitive. When sound waves enter your ear, they create vibrations. Those vibrations travel through fluid and stimulate these tiny hair cells. Each hair cell converts mechanical vibration into electrical signals. Those signals travel along the auditory nerve to the brain. That is how you hear. But here is the critical detail. Human hair cells do not regenerate. Unlike skin cells or blood cells, once these delicate structures are damaged, they are permanently lost. Exposure to loud music, concerts, high-volume headphones, industrial noise, explosions, even years of moderate environmental noise, all of it slowly damages these cells. The damage is painless, gradual, invisible. You may not notice it happening until one day you realize voices sound muffled, high frequencies disappear. There is a constant ringing, tinnitus, and by then, the loss is irreversible. There is currently no medical procedure that restores natural hair cell function in humans. Research is ongoing, but for now, prevention is protection. Now imagine something more severe. If the vestibular system is significantly damaged by infection, trauma, neurological disease, or inner ear disorders, balance can collapse completely. People may struggle to walk in a straight line. Standing in the dark becomes nearly impossible. Turning the head may cause violent spinning sensations known as vertigo. In extreme cases, individuals may fall unexpectedly. Balance is not simply not falling. It is spatial orientation, knowing where your body exists in 3-dimensional space. It is coordination between sight, muscle memory, gravity, and inner ear fluid dynamics. Without this system, gravity feels unpredictable. The horizon tilts. Movement becomes uncertain. Your ears are not just organs of sound. They are organs of stability. They anchor you to the physical world. They allow your brain to interpret motion, direction, and acceleration with extraordinary precision. And they do all of this quietly, without recognition, until something goes wrong. So the next time you raise the volume higher than necessary, the next time you ignore persistent ringing in your ears, the next time dizziness feels minor, remember this: your inner ear is managing far more than sound. It is managing your orientation in reality itself. Protect it, because while medical science continues to advance, some biological structures do not offer second chances. If this changed the way you see your own body, imagine what else we haven't explored yet. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into science, biology, and the unseen systems that quietly shape your reality. And in the comments, tell me, what should we uncover next? Your suggestion might become the next episode.